Good evening, my name is Arvids and I represent team number 14, 3D Constellation. We tackle the challenge area surveillance 24 hours a day using nanosatellites. So why is this needed? It is really hard to monitor remote territories and territories of high value, which leads to illegal logging, mining, and military interventions. How to solve this? We will be using satellite images to construct real-time altitude map, and also we will be developing software which will find the changes in the altitude in real time in scales down to 1 meter. The technology we will be using existing nanosatellites because they are relatively cheap to launch. We will use LiDAR imaging because visible light imaging has problem with clouds, but LiDAR can effectively see through clouds. And the gathered images will be processed with, for example, MICMAC, which is an open source program for digital elevation model creation from images. We have created a prototype. Here we can see a sequence of overlapping satellite images. And from these images, we create a 3D model, which I will show you. We have created this model from these very images. Here you can see the area. Darker colors are lower regions and lighter colors are higher. And from a sequence of these images, we can get the full information about changes in elevation in each point. Why is this important? Firstly, it provides accurate monitoring of altitude changes. Also, it will highlight the changes instantly and provide the exact coordinates of the changes. So we gather the information, we show where the changes are, and we give exact coordinates. So the user can react quickly. We have found these customers to be our potential target. Firstly, it would be forest departments for illegal logging, military for illegal territory occupation, civil departments for illegal constructions, airports for mapping terrain and obstructions, as well as private landowners to monitor their land. Our research has found that there are some competitors that are doing several services, but as far as we have found out, none of them are as precise as we plan to be or give real-time data about changes in elevation. They only give static information about elevation. We have calculated that the total initial costs would be about 183,000, which is combined out of registering a company, renting the satellite for these images, creating website, upkeep and support, as well as marketing. Our team consists of these 3 people. We would additionally need someone for management and more developers. And also we would like to give a huge thanks to our mentors. Thank you for your attention. Any questions?
Wonderful. Thank you, Team 14. Well done. Well done. Applauses for you from everyone and to all of your team. Mentors, do you have any questions?
There is a suggestion from Nicola to connect Aventech site and you can get 10 centimeters precision.
From which service?
Aventech site. You may see in Zoom chat.
Okay. That would be even better, yes. Then would we have a huge edge over our competitors.
And I could suggest if you guys are serious, then reaching out to Latvian state forests because they are using various solutions for GIS mapping tools now combined with drone solutions, etc.
Yes, we could improve on their solutions, so we could definitely sell to them.
Excellent. Any more questions? No more questions. No more questions.
Yes, we did it.
There's
You
one more
did
question.
it.
There's one more
You
question.
Yes. How do you plan to compete with airborne?
What is meant by airborne?
Nikolai?
Planes that are flying over a specific area.
I hadn't time to print all my questions full. It's airborne LiDAR because you try to work in space, but the main service is right now done by using aircrafts for such purposes normally. It's a huge competition with that. Just for your information.
Yes, aircrafts might have trouble distinguishing between altitudes if there's large variance in altitudes. For example, when flying over mountains, there would be a huge variation, which satellite being further away doesn't have so much problem with the variations in altitude.
Okay, great.
Thank you.